Hold your seed and gaze into the fire. Journey through time and space. Look into the flame. See a snake taking form. Pull this energy into your seed. Lift this seed up to your third eye. As the snake coils, ready to go forth with lightning quick speed, let the energy build. Your seed becomes warm. Then strike without recoil. The seed bursts forth in a blooming plant stretching before you and rooting in your subconscious mind. Seek your spirit song. What is it? See yourself standing in your power, strong yet humble. What gift do you bring to this circle? Work with this information now that you have witnessed the truth of who you are. Become aware and return. Open your eyes.
Ya dai biji, Diego bihada istego. Ya dai itzi, akosho. Diego bihadit ego. Da dai oshido. Dai biihi, dahi. Da go didzu. Bihi indizili yida doldi tizjego da doldi nikazi ya dayi I yalti yo dazizu shi ishgal ch dayi hadin dinihi ihi dahi dayi biyi Sizihi Nayane. From Spirit's heart, like 4 rays, power emanates. From where Spirit's thoughts dwell, power illuminates all. From where Spirit looks out, with life, breath, power, Spirit extends and blesses us. From where Spirit speaks out, we go forth with this power. This is the sacredness of life. Spirit lives within us, and so it is.